Hello friends, this is Naina Anand here. Today I am going to be teaching you how to make hibiscus tea and its benefits. You can see in front of me that there are some flowers of hibiscus. I am going to take one flower and I am going to remove its petals. Okay, I am just going to cut off its down part, cut off its top part, and then I'm just going to put it into a glass. You can see here that I have put some red petals of hibiscus into a glass. Now I'm going to take some hot water and pour it over these petals. Okay, you can see that I have poured it over it and it's boiling hot water, and I'm going to take a plate and cover it and keep it aside while it makes it into red tea, and then I will show it to you. Meanwhile, let me tell you at least 3 benefits of hibiscus tea. Tip number 1, benefit number 1, first of all, it helps to lose weight. Second, it is a herbal tea and very refreshing to have. Benefit number 3, it is full of anthocyanins because of its red color. That is, anthocyanins are phytonutrients found in plants and especially in flowers, in hibiscus flowers, and they help to protect your heart. So we can see that there are certain benefits. Also, it contains vitamin C. And because it contains vitamin C, it boosts your immunity. So it also has antioxidant properties to fight with cancer. Such a good, simple thing to have every morning and to lose weight. Let's see what happens when you cover it for around 15 minutes. Let's look at our red tea. You can see that the petals are removed and there are a few petals inside, but you can remove the petals and you can have this nourishing red hibiscus tea. Lovely, so refreshing. If you would like, you could put some mint leaves and a little bit of lemon and a little bit of salt in it and make it even more tasty. But I do not mind it having it as it is. I'm sure you would have loved to learn one way of losing weight. Thank you.